From my experience working in communities, I think it's important for government to reflect its population. And that means that you need to be sure that all of your diverse community has a voice within your government. Given that women tend to be around 50% of your population, it would therefore be logical that they would have a voice within your government. So primarily that would be my reason for promoting women's participation. A second aspect of women's participation is women tend to be consensus builders. My experience of being in municipal politics for some 27 years now, it tends to show that men are either right or wrong. They want to win an argument and somebody loses an argument. Women tend to look for means to come together and find and be a consensus builder. And I think that that's a really positive way of governing and managing your community. So that input is important. Because government systems have been built by men and therefore have a very masculine approach to its organization and its structure, it is difficult for women to be acknowledged and to participate in a meaningful way, especially if they're just starting out and just learning how the system works. So networks like this are a way for people to mentor each other, to share experiences, and to learn what the success stories are from one community and how we can apply it to another community. I think that sharing of experience is important. However, I think that that there's a risk that these networks become an entity into themselves, and you then run the risk of isolating yourself. So you need to be very clear about what the objective of a network like this is, so that in fact doesn't happen. Government, as I said, needs to reflect the entire population, and voices need to be heard in an equal equity environment. So that can't happen if you isolate yourself from the mainstream.